Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be going over another sample pack that we recently released called the Young AT sample pack. As what you might guess, it's a NBA Youngboy style sample pack, or Jaydayoungan or Quando Rondo. More of those type of melodic Louisiana guitar, piano style samples. What it includes is 20 samples, 20 original samples, and then we also include 16 bonus samples that are from other sample kits that we have out. What we kind of did for the bonus samples, we just included any NBA Youngboy style sample that were in those previous kits. We put it in here, so you guys get all the possible NBA Youngboy samples. Should allow you guys to create a ton of beats for NBA Youngboy, Quando Rondo, Jaydayoungan. So what I figured I'd do is grab each one and pull it in and play it for you. So here's the first one. So super fire, more up tempo. Whoops. Here we go. I love this one a lot. It's one of my favorites. I think almost all the, not all of these, but a lot of these samples were made by my co-producer, Chang. But then he contributes a lot towards all the samples. So, was that this? What else we got? Sometimes these do this where they auto stretch. So heat. Normally, a lot of producers don't give you all these samples in one pack. We're giving you guys 36 melody composition samples, royalty free for all indie, up and coming beat star producers. The only people that we ask to clear the samples are people assigned to major distribution or record labels. Obvious reason is just because there's more paperwork, and if they land actual industry placement, that industry artist may want to copyright the melody or whatever, or have the copyright under their name. So in situations like that, you know. But for everyone else, you know, sell your beat. Land your placements, don't gotta worry. Here, let's pull this in. Let me double check. As you guys can see, we have tons of different styles of Youngboy. Some of the more down tempo, some of the more up tempo, club, street bangers. So we're trying to cover all the different styles. We're almost done going through all these samples. So far. Some of the samples we've been making. Woof. I'm only going to play a couple of these bonus ones, just so you guys get an idea of some of the samples that we did include and what packs you could find them in. I'm going to play some from the AT Media Melody Loop Kit 4. Let me see. Yeah. So here's one from the AT Sound Kit 5. Another one from the AT Sound Kit 5. If you guys ever have felt that some of the samples you've ever gotten from us were subpar or not that great, hopefully these samples help change your mind. Hopefully you guys make the way over to beatitat.com. We have plenty of new samples, drum kits available for you guys. We want to make sure every producer has access to fire melodies, fire samples, fire drums. If you don't have VSTs, we'll then get access to samples that you guys can make money off of by making beats and selling beats online, or selling beats to your homies, or selling beats wherever in your funnel, like funnels or whatever. Use whatever is fire. Maximize your time efficiency. Try to crank out more beats faster, while also making them more fire. Means more potential sales, which means more potential clients, which means more likely of you guys reaching a point where you can turn your music into a full-time job, or start working with the artists that you've always wanted to work with. So we're trying to create these opportunities for you, and it also helps us because this is what, you know, we sell these, as well as we give away a lot of free stuff for y'all as well. But, you know, trying to help you guys out. This is half off for December only as of right now. We're running a whole site-wide sale on the whole website for the whole month of December. Originally, it was only supposed to go till the first week of December, but I decided to change it. I'm like, let's just make it the whole month. So, one whole month sale for everything on our website, 50% off right now. So if you guys want this sample pack, go check it out. But I'll put the link for it down in the description down below. If you guys ever want to use the equipment or are curious about the equipment, I always have those links in the description as well. This is Andrew, Beat It AT, and I'll see you guys later.